Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is the latest fitness tracker from Samsung. In this video, I will talk about display, battery life and fitness tracking. So stay tuned for the unbiased opinions about Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 comes with 4cm AMOLED display with always on feature. The display is adapted and the black wallpapers look gorgeous on this band. However, the screen size is a little bit smaller compared to smartwatches. But in respect of fitness tracker, the display has maximum amount of screen size. The quality of the display is excellent as it is a display from Samsung, and we all know that Samsung is the best in terms of giving high class display. Outdoor visibility of this smart band is also above average as it comes with 500 nits of brightness. There will be no problem while viewing the display in direct sunlight. Also, the AOD changes whenever you use different kinds of watch faces in Samsung wearable app. You can get various watch faces, but in the band you can store up to 10 watch faces. So in terms of display quality, I can give 10 on 10. Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 comes with an impressive battery life. The battery capacity of this band is 208 mAh. According to Samsung, it will provide 13 days of battery life on a single charge. So I tested this fitness band to test the battery life, and I used it for continuous 3 days and 2 nights. And after that I got some results which I will discuss in this video. Normally a smartwatch gives you a battery life of about 1 to 3 days with calling features and up to 6 days without calling. If you use any Samsung smartwatch, you will get a battery life of 2 days maximum, but in this fitness tracker I got some amazing results. I charged the fitness band up to 95% and I started using this and I got 3 days and 2 nights battery life on a single charge. During these 3 days, I used everything. I used AOD maximum time. I tested my heart rate. I tested SpO2 and stress level. So all the things have been done on this smart band, and yet after that I got an impressive battery life. So the battery life on this smart band is excellent. Next, as the main purpose of a fitness tracker is to track various fitness parameters, Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is no exception. It comes with a barometer sensor, as a result of which you can track your blood pressure, you can track your oxygen level and also stress level. Also, it comes with a 100+ sports mode which you can use while walking, running, swimming and stuff like that. I tested the SpO2 sensor and I got almost accurate results, but in case of blood pressure monitoring, I noticed one thing, that it always shows higher blood pressure counting compared to other smartwatches. Though this is not a medical device, you cannot fully rely on this smart band to track your heart rates. This smart band has no GPS inbuilt, so you have to rely on the location of your smartphone via Bluetooth to track your steps and other distance related activities. So these are the points that I liked about Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. If you are planning to buy a smart band from Samsung under rupees 5000 rupees, you can consider this because it has some great features, but two things are missing from this smart band. First of all, it lacks GPS, and the second thing is it doesn't have any kind of calling features. So these are the two drawbacks. Apart from